guys, good morning. This is Vince Ong from Megaworld Corporation. Today, I'm in the actual site of Uptown Arts Residence. So this is Megaworld's most high-end condominium here in Uptown Bonifacio. As of July 2022, Uptown Arts Residence is already on the 14th floor and is almost 20% completed. In case you're not yet familiar with the location of Uptown Arts, our nearest landmarks are the Japanese Mitsukoshi Mall, Landers, Uptown Mall, and Uptown Parade. So we also have several infrastructure projects in the area like the BGC, Ortigas Link Bridge, and the Metro Manila Subway Station. That is it for the project update of Uptown Arts and a quick tour of the Uptown Bonifacio Township. In case you are interested with Uptown Arts, we are currently having an ongoing promo of no spot down payment, zero interest with flexible payment terms. So in case you are interested, feel free to message me anytime so I can help you with it. Thank you and have a great day.